Want to create a professional business website without coding? In this quick step-by-step video, I'll show you how to build your company website using WordPress, and we'll use the Divi theme to make it look stunning easily. Let's get started. Whether you're building a blog, a business site, or an online portfolio, Divi's powerful visual builder and flexible design options will help you bring your vision to life with ease. We'll cover everything from installing Divi and using its pre-made layouts to customizing your pages and setting up your site for launch. And by the way, if you'd like to try Divi for yourself at a great price, I've added a link in the description below so you can grab it directly from Elegant Themes and start building your site today. Start by setting up the Divi theme. To do this, you need to have an Elegant Themes account. Once you have an account, log in and go to the Downloads area. Download the Divi theme file. It will be a zip file. Do not unzip it. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Appearance in the left menu and click on Themes. Then click the Add New button at the top. After that, click Upload Theme and choose the Divi zip file you downloaded. Click Install Now and wait a few moments. Once it's installed, click Activate. Now your website is using the Divi theme. To use all its features, you need to activate Divi with your license key. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Divi in the menu and then to Theme Options. At the top, you will see a place to enter your Elegant Themes username and API key. You can find the API key in your Elegant Themes account under your profile. Paste the key and username in WordPress and click Save. Now all Divi features are unlocked. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages and click Add New. Name the page Home and click the purple button that says Use Divi Builder. This opens the Divi Builder. You'll now see three options. Choose the one in the middle called Browse Layouts. This will take you to Divi's layout library. Here, you'll find hundreds of professionally designed layout packs for all kinds of websites: business, personal, e-commerce, portfolio, services, and more. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a layout that fits your needs. For example, if you're making a website for a bakery, you can search bakery, and Divi will show you layout packs designed just for that. Each layout pack includes several pages, such as Home, About, Contact, and Services. Click on a layout pack to preview it. Then choose the layout you want to start with, for example, the home page layout, and click Use this layout. Divi will now automatically load the layout onto your page. It may take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once it's loaded, you'll see the entire homepage already built, with sections, rows, images, text, and buttons. Now you can customize it to match your own content. Click on any text to edit it. You can change the headline to match your business name. You can also replace the paragraph text with your own description. Click on any image to change it. You can upload your own photo or choose from your media library. You can move sections up or down, delete ones you don't need, or duplicate a section if you want to reuse it somewhere else. Divi makes everything visual and easy to manage. You can click on the settings icon of any module to adjust styles like colors, fonts, spacing, and backgrounds. Once you've updated all the text and images, click the purple button at the bottom and then click Save. Your homepage is now ready. Let's make it the front page of your website. Go back to the WordPress dashboard. On the left side, go to Settings and then click on Reading. Under your homepage displays, choose a static page and select Home from the drop-down menu. Then click Save Changes. Now when someone visits your site, this beautiful homepage layout will appear. Next, let's create the rest of your site using the other pre-made layouts from the same layout pack. Go back to the Pages section and click Add New. Name this page About and click Use Divi Builder. Again, choose Browse Layouts and go to the same layout pack you used earlier. This time, select the About page layout from the pack and click use this layout. Divi will load the design, and again, you just need to replace the sample text and images with your own. Click Save when you're done. Repeat this process for other pages like services, contact, or anything else you need. Each layout pack is designed to keep all the pages looking consistent. That way, your website feels clean and professional without you needing to worry about matching colors or styles. Now that you have your pages, let's create a menu to link them together. In the dashboard, go to Appearance and then click on Menus. Click Create a new menu and name it something like Main Menu. Click Create Menu. On the left, check the boxes next to your pages, Home, About, Services, and Contact, and click Add to Menu. Then drag the items into the order you want. Finally, under Menu Settings, check the box that says Primary Menu and click Save Menu. Now when you visit your site, you'll see the navigation bar at the top with all your pages linked. To update your site's general appearance, like your logo or global colors, go to the Divi tab in the dashboard and click on Theme Options. You can upload your logo, change the default color palette, and set other basic settings. You can also go to Theme Customizer to preview live changes like fonts, heading styles, button styles, and mobile menu layout. If you want to see how your site looks on different devices, open any page in the Divi Builder and click the screen icons at the bottom. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile view. You can even customize how your layout behaves on each screen size. You now have a working WordPress website using the Divi theme. From here, you can keep growing your website by adding content, images, and features that match your goals. Whether it's a personal blog, a business site, or a portfolio, Divi gives you all the tools to make it happen with no coding needed. As you saw in this video, creating a WordPress site with Divi is straightforward and powerful. It's perfect whether you're building for yourself or for clients. And by the way, if you'd like to try Divi for yourself at a great price, I've added a link in the description below so you can grab it directly from Elegant Themes and start building your site today.